What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with another video for you guys today. So of course today is Monday, and that means I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation for this week, just like every single Monday, to get you guys up and ready for the week, motivated, excited, and in the correct mood to hack another week. So now, in today's video, I'm talking about why it's going to be worth it. Because let's be honest, life can be difficult sometimes. Life can be tough. Life can be, stuff can get hard. It's difficult to attack things. And there are times on Sunday nights you feel like, you know what, Monday is coming. I'm not ready for it. I don't feel good. I'm just not ready to hack it. But like I said, that's why I'm here to bring you guys your Monday motivation this week. And I want to talk about why it's going to be worth it. Because there are so many different success stories out there. If you guys go and Google success stories, you guys check on YouTube about success stories, there are so many times that things will seem so tough that you want to give up, but you just got to keep going. So like I said, I'm going to talk about why it's worth it in today's video, and you're going to see, hopefully, by the end of the video, how better off you feel, how more motivated you are to hack this week, attack this week, and again, go forward in the right manner. But before we get into that, please, let's get out this, the usual stuff out of the way. Drop a thumbs up. You guys have been so good with the support recently. I cannot thank you guys enough, but keep it going. So drop that thumbs up. As always, please make sure you guys comment on the video. You guys are good with comments, so let's hit 100 comments on today's video. Also, make sure you guys continue to subscribe if you're new around here. Hit the red button below. We've had a few new subscribers recently, even though the YouTube algorithm is trying to knock us down. We're not going to let that happen. So keep subscribing, keep joining the channel. And lastly, but most importantly, please make sure you guys share these videos with your friends. But now let's talk about how it's going to be worth it. So to start off with, we all go through those situations, those periods of time, the stress, the grind, the struggle, the heartbreak, the whatever it may be. We all go through those kind of periods. We're all humans. Nothing in life is perfect. None of us have perfect lives. And we go through all of those, we come out strong, we come out better. We get to where we want to get to. We get to where we were supposed to end up to. And we realized that it was worth it. I would like to talk about my YouTube channel, for example, just to give you a little example of how it's happened, how it's grown. And what I will say is, I used to make videos every single day and saw about a few subscribers, in a month, a couple hundred subscribers in about 6 or 7 months. And I thought, you know what, I'm doing well. This is nice. The videos I'm making daily are slowly paying off. It was worth it. I get to the point now when I'm past 11,050 subscribers. Actually, 1,150 subscribers. It would be nice if it was 11,000. But again, I think making daily videos is worth it. And I can relate this to so many areas of my life. I can relate this back to so many different areas. Different things I've done when it comes to sports, when it comes to business, instruments, when it comes to so many different things. Even school, it was worth it. The grueling times, the testing times are going to come at you. That is a part of life. The unprecedented events will come in the form of a pandemic, in the form of a virus, in the form of so many different things. But you have to keep going, you have to keep pushing, because it will be worth it. There are going to be times this week where you feel like you cannot go anymore. There will be times this week where you do things and you think, this is not going to pay off. What is the point of this? Again, what is the title of the video? It will be worth it. It is going to be worth it. It's going to pay off. That is a thing. That is what you need to remember in these kind of times. So this week, when you're doing things and you think this is completely pointless, I hope you remember this video. I hope you go back to this video and say, you know what I'm doing is going to be worth it. If you don't succeed, if you don't win, it doesn't matter. You know why it will be worth it? Because you learned, because you adapted, because you became better, became a different person. You're better off now. That's why all you do needs to have a purpose. Because if you don't win, you don't succeed, you will learn. And if you do succeed, well, better off, you're in a better position now. You successfully hit your target. What's better than that? Again, go at everything with a purpose, because eventually it will be worth it. There will be times, for those of you who are new to running or going to the gym or fitness activities, where you think, this is so dumb, why am I doing this? It's going to be worth it. You will lose that weight. You will become slimmer by Christmas. Or you will gain that weight, become more muscular. You will be able to compete in that competition. You will be able to do this or that. It's going to be worth it. I'm trying to bring you guys that energy. I'm trying to remind you guys that whatever you do should have a purpose. And when it does have a purpose, it can benefit you. I'm trying to remind you guys to go out this week and not just go out and do anything however you like. Not go out and do things without a purpose. To step forward confidently, but step forward in the right way, in the right manner. To do something which will benefit you in the long run. As you guys know, there are so many different people who do YouTube. And a lot of them give up after 6 months, a year, because they don't think it's worth it. You keep going, you keep improving, you keep adapting, it will be worth it. I know there are many of you guys out there who are YouTubers yourselves, who watch these videos. If you have a small channel in mind right now, and you're wondering why, don't worry, keep hustling, because yours is going to be worth it, yours is going to grow, you're going to see the results you want to see. If you have a bigger channel, and you're trying to get even bigger, keep pushing, keep improving that content, it's going to be worth it. No matter what you do, who you are, if you're watching this video, whatever you're going through, whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, by the time you get there and you feel that sense of glory, that sense of joy, that sense of, I made it, I did it, you're going to see that all that time, all along, you were blooming and everything you went through was 100% worth it. You're going to see that no matter what you went through, no matter what you did, how hard it was, how tough it was, how grueling it was, how much you might have cried, how much you might have felt hurt, no matter how much you would have maybe bled. It's that blood, sweat and tears. No matter how much you did all that, eventually when you get to where you really wanted to get to, it was worth it. A lot of you out there don't actually need to get your goal, but all you need to do is just try and get your goal. Pushed along, to get that goal. Your journey might change, your path might change, but eventually, if you get to that goal, you're going to look back and say, yes, you'll feel that sense of pride, satisfaction. I made it, it was worth it. And I know this is the money management, so we have to relate it back to money somehow. The saving money that you're doing constantly while your friends are wasting money. The investing you're doing while your money could have been used for outfits and partying and eating out. All the time you're spending creating your own business, creating your own side hustle, putting money into things that you want to grow. Eventually, you get to the stage where you hit your target, you hit your goal, you smash your accomplishment, you say, yes, the money management was right, it was worth it. You guys are going to go through those stages, you're going to go through those difficult times in life. But at the end of the day, it's going to be worth it. Again, there's nothing compared to that feeling of satisfaction when you accomplish something. There's nothing compared to that feeling of, yes, I finally got there, I finally made it. And that's why I'm trying to help you guys today. So I'm trying to open your eyes to what is possible. A lot of people do not realize what's possible in this world. And there are many opportunities which pass our eyes each and every day. But people just don't take them into consideration. People just don't, see them. People just neglect them. Train your eye to see opportunity. Train your mind, your body to get you past the difficult times. Think about the end goal. Don't focus on the end goal solely, but think about the end goal. Think about the reason why you're doing something. And will it be worth it? If it, takes your family out of a mess, will it be worth it? 100%. If it gets you to the place where you want to be, if it stops you from working that horrible job, if it helps you lose that weight, if it helps you look better, will it be worth it? 100%. What else can I say? Whatever you're doing now, whatever you're trying to do, it's going to be worth it. That is the last thing I can say. It really doesn't get more simple than that. Everybody has their targets, their goals, their dreams, their aspirations. Well, at least you should do. If you're watching this channel, you should do. Because if you're not, then this channel is not for you. But yeah, all of you have your dreams, your targets, your aspirations. Not all of you will get there. Why? Because of inconsistency, because of luck, because of so many different things. So many different factors will come into it. But for those of you who do get there, you'll be so happy that you kept going, you kept trying, you kept pulling through. You got through every situation. You start to surf on those waves. You didn't let the ocean drown you. All of you guys who get your targets, your goals, you'll be so happy. You'll feel that sense of satisfaction. You'll feel that winning feeling. Those of you who don't get there, and I've been one of those people myself who didn't get every single goal, every single target I've set out to do in this life. We will still learn a lot along the way. As long as we go there with a purpose, like I mentioned, as long as we try our hardest, we do our best, we put in 100% effort. As long as we do that, yeah, then you might not feel the sense of winning, feeling, and satisfaction. You might only learn, but it will be worth it as well. Something being worth it comes in so many different forms, not only in the form of winning. The form of learning is important too. The form of growing as a person, growing in knowledge. All of that is worth it too. So to wrap this up kindly, guys, keep going this week. I want to see the smile on your faces when when you pay off that student loan, when you get that debt down, when you pay off those credit cards, when you start getting those new properties, when you buy your new car, your new house, when you succeed, whatever way it is. Whatever you got through, it will be worth it. Whatever you're going through now, whatever you're struggling with now, it will be worth it. Those long days of working, jobs you don't like, those long nights of working hard on things you're trying to build, all the time you spend creating something, all the times you're doing stuff, whether it's school, whether it's university, whether it's whatever it may be, if it's your business, if it's whatever it is, your fitness, your health, whatever you're trying to do, eventually when you get to that goal, like I said, what are you going to say at the end? You know what you're going to say? It was worth it. I can't stress it enough. Yes, we're going to have those difficult times. You're going to have many of those difficult times over the next few months, with this pandemic still going on, with all sorts of uncertainty around whatever you do, with so many different things. That's a part of life. Unprecedented events, random events, unfortunate events, all of it is a part of our lives. We go through those, we learn to get through those, we learn to climb our way through and find a way out. We end up realizing that whatever we did, whatever we went through, it was 100% worth it. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys don't know, if you're new around here, my aim is to have at least one person become better each and every day, one person close to financial freedom, one person more control of their time, close to success, on the right path to succeeding with their goals. So hopefully today I've done that for one of you. You guys know this was a Monday motivation, so if you guys are up and ready for this coming week, ready to hack another week. If you guys do want to check out the links in the description, that would be greatly appreciated. We have cryptocurrency, it's definitely worth it. We have stocks, a free stock for you and me. If you sign up for my link through Robinhood, definitely worth it. We have a free guide to online business, go check that out, definitely worth it. And we have my smartwatch company, Time Watches, again, definitely worth it. You guys are worth it, your goals are worth it, what you're going through is worth it. So keep pushing and eventually you'll see that it was worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That's it for me today. I'm going to be making, you've got goals to be chasing, and see you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.